You're listening to the Things Podcast, brought to you by the Things Industries.
All right, welcome to the Things Conference podcast. It is day 2 here in Amsterdam. I'm with Gavin from RAK Wireless. My name is Marc Pous, Developer Relations at Edge Impulse, co-founder of IoT Stars. And Gavin, how was first day at the Things Conference yesterday?
Very busy, very positive. Yeah, a lot of energy in the room, a lot of activity, some new faces and old faces. Good start.
Yeah, I think it was a very good start. I think it was, yeah. And you're the first mentioning the energy. I think, you're right. There is a very good energy here.
Oh, good. Yeah. Okay, we feel it then. Okay, that's good. Yeah.
So tell me more about you and about RAK Wireless, please.
RAK is predominantly a hardware business in the LoRaWAN domain. We're a gateway and module manufacturer, one of the bigger players in the market. So connectivity, our customers choose our solutions to provide connectivity, wireless connectivity for their deployments, the things they're building. We're quite unique because we also have modules which enable our customers to build their end devices, nodes, sensors, whatever they are. So that's RAK Wireless in a nutshell. And about me, I'm kind of a hybrid guy. I wear many hats in the business. I have an R&D and design background. I also work in the commercial world and just help move the business and the industry forwards. So fantastic. A little bit about both of that.
So what's new from what's new?
We have a couple of new gateways.
Okay.
Not to go too deep into the details, but generally our hardware is considered very high quality, very feature rich, with very affordable, very cost effective. So that's where we position in new gateways, new price points, and new feature configurations.
So you make this like quality in the technology, latest technology with affordable prices, right?
The quality is always pushed very, very high. But we have our own factory and all of our resources internal. So we can use some clever engineering and supply chain and some very clever design solutions enable that cost saving to be in the product, and we pass it on to the customer. It is not like cutting corners or using lower quality materials. It's the concept is essentially modular. So our products are very modular. Some customers don't know about that, nor do they care. It just enables us to bring more products to the market with the flexibility, modularity, and the economies of scale allow us to open the door to affordability.
But when you do this modular hardware, how do you decide what module it's important or not, or depending on what you see the popularity of the modules, you decide to make new products? Or
it can be, yeah. The platform is very flexible.
Okay.
So we can be very agile to use those kind of software project management philosophies, and we can bring that into hardware. So our flexibility allows us to react very quickly to market demands or bring flexibility to customers. Maybe somebody wants something specific. It's a gateway or something we don't make today. No problem. Let's talk about it. Our hardware platform is very, very flexible. We can react very quickly.
And what are you more into the market, like selling gateways or selling devices?
Probably gateways is the focus. Gateways and the tools that allow you to deploy those gateways, manage a network, a fleet of gateways. That's probably the most of the business and our energy is put into that.
Okay, interesting. Well, that's very interesting, and I have tried your technology, and it's fantastic. So, how do you see the future in this field?
Wow, it's a very, very big question. Many different opinions. My own opinion, based on what I see.
Okay.
I feel many more solution creators, businesses for many problems in the world will solve IoT, because now it's becoming easier and easier for everybody to embrace the technology and use it. Therefore, I see the future being more and more private networks, wireless networks being deployed for specific solutions or developers who in that world. So that's what I see.
So you are mentioning these. In what use cases do you think?
Everything.
Everything.
Yeah, we're a global business. We have no focus on any domains or no areas. So we have everything on. We'll see everything from smart buildings, smart farming, agriculture, water, utilities, energy, everything. You see this general increase in the LoRaWAN networking space. They're leaning on the long range, the low data rates, perfects. Just more and more people want to get some of the action, and they wanna own more of it themselves.
Interesting. And how do you see the interaction of we were having conversations with other players here in the TICS conference about the mesh networks, mesh with LoRaWAN. You feel like interesting.
I think I felt there. There's an inevitable blurring of lines between different philosophies and ideologies and technologies. So meshing, there's the two levels. I think the end device level. We see some activities and questions. We have a mesh solution for gateways. So we're already bringing that to the market. This is to enable certain verticals in our market now globally have one particular pain point that is solved by mesh, but at a gateway level. So we're already pushing the boundaries of something we developed and bringing to the market. So mesh means different things to different people.
Yeah.
And different use cases.
Very interesting. So if anyone wants to know more about RAK Wireless, what do they need to do?
Easy start. If hit the internet, if you search for LoRaWAN, you're probably gonna see RAK Wireless appear. We're very, very good there. You can connect with us at rakwireless.com. We have our own web store as well. And if you're at the event today, we have our booth. Yeah. Find us. Yeah.
Thank you very much, Gavin. A pleasure. A lot of success to give it. Yes, you're the next podcast at TICS conference. Thank you.